Welcome to another how-to HawkEye video, and this one is an introduction to our mobile app. You can see on startup there's a couple of information panes and then you can log in. Use your usual HawkEye login and password to access the app. Once we're open, we can see it starts on the map, ready for you to select paddocks to do your ordering. So we can click on order and see previous orders we may have made. Of course, if there's none, it will be a blank page. Let's have a look at one of those orders just to see how they're structured. You can see a small map at the top and all of the information just below it. If you have multiple spread rates, these can be slid back and forward, left and right to look at the information within those. We can zoom into the map by clicking the magnifier and use your fingers to drag to zoom and rotate. We can see on there the dual rates of this order. On the top right there, we can view where we can cancel the order if it hasn't been completed, which is the case with this one. Back to the previous pane, we can go back to the map. And from here, we'll just zoom in. And from here, we'll click up the top left and have a look at some of the information, such as notifications. If you get a notification via your mobile, they'll be stacked there for viewing later on if you wish. In the settings, you have some permissions for the notifications that you can change at will. There's also offline data, meaning you can use this in an offline mode if you're out of reach of data. We'll just go back again and we can switch farm. So if you have access to more than one farm, you can switch there and change it to another farm. It could take a few seconds to download the data, so you'll need to make sure you're online before you can take your data offline. And we can see here now we've got a green tick, so we have our data offline so we can use it wherever we wish. If we just go back to that menu again and switch it back to our default farm, which is Demo Farm 1 in this case. You can see the map that we've just gone back to. We'll go back into that pane again and we can see down under support there's help. That will take you to the HawkEye website where you can search for mobile information if you want some support there as well. You can scroll down through the articles and read more about how to do some of the tasks you wish to do. We'll click the X to go back to the app. And the last one there is feedback, suggestions, bugs, contacting us, and if you wish, to rate us as well. Your feedback's important to us as that's how we move forward with our app. So let's look at the top right options. Now we can see our layers and map types. So let's turn on exclusion zones, slide that out of the way and have a look. We can see those red areas appearing now on the map. Those are the exclusion zones that we've drawn on our farm. We'll turn them back off and you can see now it's been cleared. So we'll go back into the layers and we'll turn on blocks this time. When we slide that out of the way, we can see all of the blocks that make up our farm shown there. And if we turn that back off again, we're back to a clear map again. So let's look at where you create a new order. We can see there the different types of order: product and spread, product only, and spread only, depending on what option you want. And we'll go back again, and this time we're going to have a look at the order history again. You can see at the top right there, there's the option to filter the types of orders you want to look at. And up the very top is your cart, should you have any orders that have yet to be fully completed and sent through. Thanks for watching, and check out this channel for more how-to HawkEye videos.